Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send Ethereum from crypto.com to Uniswap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So before starting, make sure that your crypto.com wallet has ETH and your receiving wallet is connected to Uniswap. This helps you fund Uniswap to trade tokens securely. So first, you will have to open your crypto.com. So go ahead and search for crypto.com and then just wait for it to load. And then once you're on your crypto, what you will have to do is basically just go to your wallet and then you will click Ethereum, and then of course you will have to of course you have to make sure that you're logged in first before actually seeing the wallet section. So once you've logged into your crypto, you will just have to go to the wallet section and then you will click Ethereum, and the next you will tap send, and then you will enter your receiving wallet address that is connected to your Uniswap. And then after that, you will just have to enter the amount of ETH that you would want to send and review the network fees, and then you will confirm the transaction and approve any authentication prompts, and finally just wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, and then you will just have to double check the wallet address before sending to avoid errors. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.